As we continue to push the boundaries of innovation, artificial intelligence, AI, has become an indispensable tool for content creators. In 2026, AI tools have revolutionized the way we edit, write, and design, saving us countless hours and elevating our content to new heights. Today, we're going to explore the best AI tools for content creators that will transform your workflow and take your content to the next level. Let's start with editing. Did you know that AI-powered editing software can automatically generate captions, transcribe audio, and even suggest alternative takes? One of the top AI editing tools in 2026 is Lumen 5, which uses AI to create stunning video content from text in just minutes. With Lumen 5, you can upload a script, and the AI engine will generate an engaging video complete with animations, transitions, and music. For instance, if you have a 500-word article, Lumen 5 can turn it into a